This video will take you through the steps necessary to clean your Vector countertop 2, 3, or 4 chamber oven, or your Vector full-size 3 or 4 chamber oven. It's a good idea to clean your oven regularly to ensure it continues working at peak efficiency. Make sure to use the proper products and techniques when cleaning your oven. We'll show you how we clean our Vector ovens at the Alto-Shaam Culinary Institute. Follow these steps to get the best results. Step 1. Cool down the oven. The Deluxe and Simple Control models display different shutdown screens. This is the Deluxe Control shutdown. Shut down the oven and leave the door open to allow the oven to cool to a safe temperature. Once the oven is ready to clean, the display will shut off. This is the Simple Control shutdown. The display changes once the oven is ready to clean. Some of the products you will be using can be harmful if not handled properly. Before you start, gloves and eyewear are a must. Wear them at all times during the cleaning process. Ensure your cleaning space is well ventilated. Read the safety and mixing instructions on each cleaning product you use. We will be using oven cleaner, window cleaner, and stainless steel polish. You should keep your cleaning products in their original packaging, so you always know what you're using and where you're using it. Always store cleaning products separately from food. Do not mix or dilute chemicals. Different parts of the Vector are made with different materials. You will use different cleaning products for each. We will be using our Alto-Shaam oven and grill cleaner for the interior of the oven. Use the cleaner on the inside walls and jet plates. You can also use it on filters and racks, if stronger cleaning is needed. Do not use them on the outside of the oven. No matter your working surface, use only kitchen cloths and non-abrasive pads. Do not use metal tools like steel wool, brushes, or scrapers. Now that your cleaning products are in place, let's get started. We will be cleaning the oven from the inside out. Racks come out first. Lift them straight up, then slide them out. Next, remove the jet plates. With the racks already removed, the jet plates slide straight out. The jet plates for the F series are heavy. Make sure you have enough clear space to set them down safely before you remove them. Optional grease filters are available on Vector H models. If you have filters, remove them by lifting straight up, then swinging them out, bottom side first. The filters are light and should be easy to remove. If your oven does not have filters, don't worry. Most Vector ovens do not. Racks clean easily with water, or a mixture of dish soap and water. Scrub where needed. At Alto-Shaam, we finish by running the racks through a rinse and dry cycle in the dishwasher. To clean the filters, wipe down the frames, then spray on your oven cleaner. Let the cleaner soak in the recommended amount of time. Ours calls for 10 minutes. When the cleaner has had enough time to do its work, wipe both sides of the filter with a kitchen cloth. Use a non-abrasive scrubber on tough spots. If necessary, repeat the cleaning steps once more. It is important to thoroughly rinse all surfaces where these cleaners are used. Rinse the filters thoroughly. We will also run the filters through a rinse and dry cycle in the dishwasher. Follow the same steps to clean the jet plates. Dry your gloves and use care when removing the panels. Each jet plate has a top and bottom panel. Slide the bottom panel out of the top panel and wash them separately. To clean, wipe down the panels and spray Alto-Shaam cleaner on both sides. Again, let the cleaner soak in for the recommended amount of time. When the cleaner has had enough time to do its work, wipe both sides of the panels with a kitchen cloth. Use a non-abrasive scrubber for tough spots. If necessary, repeat the cleaning steps again. Rinse the jet plates thoroughly. We finish by running the jet plates through a rinse and dry cycle in the dishwasher. Follow the same steps to clean the inside of the oven. First, wipe down all surfaces. Do not spray cleaner directly onto the left and rear panels. Instead, spray onto a cloth, then wipe down the left side and rear panels. You can spray cleaner directly onto the top, bottom, and right side panels of the oven. Let the cleaner soak in for the recommended amount of time. When the cleaner has had enough time to do its work, wipe down all of the inside panels with a kitchen cloth. Use a non-abrasive scrubber on tough spots. If necessary, repeat the cleaning steps again. It is important to thoroughly rinse all inside surfaces when you are done. Use a spray bottle filled with clean water and a clean cloth to rinse the inside of the oven. Use plenty of water and don't be afraid to rinse twice. Wipe thoroughly when finished. Nice job! The inside of your Vector oven is now clean. Remember, filters are optional. Examine your filters before reinstalling. The longer filters are reinstalled in the left inside panel, while the shorter filters fit in the rear panel. Slide them up, then swing them into place. The etchings on the jet plates form a figure 8 when correctly installed. The jet plates slide into place. When a top and bottom plate have been correctly reinstalled, you will see the figure 8. You can reinstall the plates in any order as long as they are facing the right direction. The racks can be placed in last. The inner glass door swings open when you release its two latches. For light cleaning, use glass cleaner. If the inside glass requires a stronger cleaning and degreasing, we use our Alto-Shaam oven cleaner. Remember to rinse thoroughly if a stronger cleaner is used. Finally, we'll clean the exterior. We'll also use glass cleaner on the outer door glass. Use stainless steel polish to clean the outside of the oven. Wash your hands and arms thoroughly once the cleaning is done. Your oven is now clean. Just one final step. Leave the door open so the oven can air dry overnight. The Vector oven should be completely dry before it is used again. Thanks for watching.